Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. So first go to www.klaviyo.com/dashboard, and on the bottom left corner you can see your organization name. Just click on there and then click on integrations, and let's just scroll here till we find Shopify. There we go. Just click on there, click on add integration, and now you have to insert your Shopify URL. I'm just going to paste this. I think I'll just turn this off for now. Now click on install app and confirm new integration, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.